Kling O1 just dropped, and Chinese AI video is about to flip your entire workflow. This thing does 1080p cinematic shots, handles text like a pro, and you can try it for free right now. People are calling it Sora level, but without the waitlist nightmare. I'm going to show you exactly how it stacks up against every tool that you're using and whether it actually destroys your current setup. All right, let's talk about Kling O1. This is the newest AI video model out of China and it's making waves. I'm going to break down exactly what this thing does, how it compares to everything else, and how you can test it for free right now. Because here's the thing, AI video tools are dropping every single week. Most of them are garbage. They promise the world and deliver wonky faces and glitchy motion. But Kling O1 is different. Kling O1 is the latest AI video model from the Kling ecosystem. That's the same team behind Kuaishou, which is basically the Chinese TikTok. These guys know video. You can do text to video, you can do image to video, you can even do local editing and shot extensions all inside one system. Most tools make you bounce between 3 different platforms. Kling O1 does it all in one place. Right now, the AI video space has Sora from OpenAI, which is still locked behind a waitlist. You've got VO from Google, which is also gated. Then you've got Runway, Luma, and Pika that most creators actually use. Kling O1 is stepping into that ring and throwing punches. So why is everyone freaking out about this? First, it outputs 1080p video. That's full HD cinematic quality. The clips come out clean, sharp, and ready to drop into your timeline. The clips are short, 5 to 10 seconds per generation. But that's not a deal breaker. Most of your YouTube B-roll is 5 to 10 seconds. Anyway, second, the motion is realistic. Smooth camera moves, natural physics, and characters that don't morph into nightmare fuel. This is where a lot of AI video tools fall apart. Kling O1 holds it together. Third, it has multi-mode capabilities, text to video, image to video, local editing, shot extension, all in one interface. But here's the killer feature, multi-view subject consistency. When the camera angle changes, your subject doesn't turn into a different person. If you're building a character for your channel or creating a branded mascot, this is huge. Kling O1 keeps things consistent. Quick thing, if you want to learn exactly how to use AI video tools like Kling O1 to grow your business and automate everything, then join my AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I teach you how to scale with AI, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with automation. The strategies I share in there are the same ones I use to run my 7-figure agency. You'll learn how to use tools like Kling O1 and other AI platforms to completely transform how you work. The link is in the description. This is the best place to level up your AI game, and I'll see you inside. Okay, now the part you actually care about. How do you try this thing for free? You can generate Kling O1 videos for free right now through a few different platforms. Platforms like Artlist and File-based front ends are offering generate for free options. You sign up, you get some free credits, and you can start testing clips immediately. Kling has its own global app and web studio. They have trials and low barrier access for individual creators and ad teams. You can also use third-party suites like Krea that aggregate multiple AI video models in one place. These platforms give you free tiers where you can compare Kling O1 side by side with Runway, Luma, and Pika. So go sign up for one of these platforms right now, generate a few clips, see how it feels. All right, let's get to the big question. Does Kling O1 actually destroy your current tool? Here's my take. Kling O1 has some serious strengths, but it's not perfect. Cinematic motion is where Kling O1 really shines. If you need smooth camera moves or that floating Steadicam look, this tool nails it. Temporal consistency is another big win. The video holds together over time, objects don't randomly disappear, camera control is also top tier. Now let's talk about the weaknesses. Generation speed. Kling O1 is not instant. You might wait a few minutes per clip. Physics glitches, they're rare, but they happen. Clip duration is limited. 5 to 10 seconds per generation means you're stitching clips together if you need longer scenes. So does it destroy your current tool? It depends. If you're using Runway or Pika and you're frustrated with motion artifacts, then yeah, Kling O1 is going to feel like a massive upgrade. If you're using Luma and you're happy with it, then Kling O1 is more of a side grade. The bottom line is this. Kling O1 is legit, it's not hype, but it's not going to magically solve every problem. It's one more powerful option in your toolkit. Now let's talk about something that most AI video tools completely suck at. Text and logos. If you've ever tried to generate a video with on-screen text or a logo, you know the pain. The letters are backwards, the words are gibberish. Kling O1 handles text way better than most tools. Here's why this matters. If you're making ads, you need text on screen, product names, pricing, call to action. If the AI can't handle that, you're stuck adding it in post. Let's say you're building a mascot for your channel. Most AI tools will give you a different version of that character every single time. Kling01 does better. Your character stays recognizable across different shots and angles. That's a game changer for branded content. You can also chain short sequences together to build longer edits, generate 5 clips, stitch them together, add voiceover and music. Now you've got a full YouTube intro. Most people think AI video tools are just for text to video, but Kling01 has editing superpowers that go way beyond that. The unified interface lets you do local edits. That means you can change just one part of the scene without regenerating the whole thing. You can also extend shots. Let's say you generated a 5-second clip, but you need it to be 10 seconds. You just extend it. Then there's image to video. You upload a frame or a piece of concept art. Kling01 animates it while keeping the style stable. You have a thumbnail design that performed well. Upload that thumbnail and turn it into a video intro. Or you're doing a product review and you have product photos. Upload those photos and let Kling01 turn them into dynamic product shots. This is the kind of workflow that can replace your need for traditional B-roll and stock footage. You can experiment for free using the platforms I mentioned earlier, but if you want sustained access or high volume generation, you're going to need a subscription or credits. If you're a team or an agency, Kling is rolling out API access. That means you can automate video generation and integrate Kling01 directly into your own tools. This is a big deal for anyone doing high volume content production. Let's talk about how Kling01 compares to the big Western models like Sora, Veo Runway, and Luma. Cinematic motion is as good or better than most Western tools. The camera moves feel professional. The unified workflow is also a big advantage. Most Western tools make you use separate platforms for everything. Kling01 does it all in one place, where Western models might still lead. Longer coherent scenes, Sora can generate clips that are 20 or 30 seconds long. Kling01 maxes out around 10 seconds. Ultra high-end cinematic polish is another area where Sora and Veo have an edge. But here's the bigger trend. Chinese video models are closing the gap fast. A year ago, they were way behind. Now they're competitive or even ahead in certain areas, and they're doing it at lower costs. Kling01 is legit. It's a powerful AI video model with serious capabilities. The cinematic motion is top tier. The multi-mode workflow is a time saver, and you can test it for free. If you want to learn exactly how to use AI video tools like Kling01 to grow your business and automate everything, then join my AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I teach you how to scale with AI, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with automation. The strategies I share in there are the same ones I use to run my 7-figure agency. You'll learn how to use tools like Kling01 and other AI platforms to completely transform how you work. The link is in the description.